stretches out so far, under the light of a single wandering star.
I've chased the neon and the city height, but nothing feels as warm as the kitchen light.
I'm tired of the noise and the concrete sky. I need the place where the river runs by. I can hear the whispers in the evening wind, a melody where my story first begins. It's pulling on my spirit, it's a steady hand, leading me back to the familiar land. It's
Calling me home where the shadows grow long, where I know the lyrics to every song. Back to the valley, back to the trees, where I can finally feel at ease. No more wandering, no more alone. I can hear the silence calling me home.
I remember the scent of the pine and the rain, the way the sun dances on the window pane. Every mile I travel is a heavy cost, searching for the pieces that I thought were lost. But I'm finding the path, I'm finding my way.